Imagine, one day you get attacked by unknown people. They apply an acidic liquid on your body. You get taken to hospital for treatment. From nowhere, your country's interior super minister come to visit you. On his hand is a bouquet of flowers with some ripe bananas. Fill in the blank space. But how can you publicly support somebody who is hated, underrated, disrespected, and also slagged as one-term president by just drawing his picture on your body near your breasts? I mean, how can you paint your beautiful light skin without even black spots, with a black structure, in addition of two-term word which does not spark in the minds of Kenyans, and then you walk freely at the streets? I'm speaking of that one lady, Rachel Wandeto, who was attacked by men on a motorbike as she was from shop. The reason behind her attack, alikuwa amechora tattoo ya Rais William Ruto kwenye kifua chake na kuandika two-term. Sai mafuta imepanda, Kasongo. Nyanya moja ni mbao, Kasongo. Mass killings of Gen Zs. Wakenya bado wanasema Kasongo. Unatoa wapi nguvu ya kuchora picha ya Kasongo kwa mwili wako? Alafu unatoa kifua nje kwa Wakenya waiangalie. Yes, Kenya is a democratic country, but walio wengi wape na wajinga ndio waliuawa. Imagine one day you get attacked by unknown people. They apply an acidic liquid on your body. You get taken to hospital for treatment. From nowhere, your country's interior super minister come to visit you. On his hand is a bouquet of flowers with some ripe bananas. Fill in the blank spaces. This is what Kipchumba Murkomen had to say before and after Rachel Wandeto's death.
We will of course go for all the planners, and I believe that we must be able to deal with this, punish them severely in such a way that no one else will repeat such an act again. I want to ask again to caution all the political leaders in their political rhetoric to stop inciting the people of Kenya and radicalizing people and hiring and using goons and gangs to attack other citizens. But regardless of whether it was political or not, no citizen should actually ever go through
There is this also another Kipchumba well known as Oscar Sudi. This is what he wrote on her Facebook page. Yona from Yona reports. In case you got yourself entertained but also informed on people's lifestyle, Yona Reports is your all days informer but also entertainer. Keep on watching. The more contents that we keep on uploading on YouTube as you can. Many more content coming on the way. Yona Reports, we got you.